Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared what is byte in Python. In Python, a byte is a unit of data that represents 8 bits, which is the smallest unit of data in a computer. It can store integer values from 0 to 255, inclusive. Bytes are commonly used to represent binary data, such as images, audio files, and network packets. Here's an example of how you can create a byte object in Python. Now let's run this example code. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this kind of results. Note that in Python, byte objects are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed after they are created. If you need to modify byte data, you can convert it to a byte array object, which is a mutable sequence of bytes. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.